Hello students, today we will study about the today's concept is services provided by retailer to the consumer and to wholesaler. In our last video we have already studied about the meaning of internal trade, concept of internal trade, and the internal trade has two types, wholesale and retail. Wholesaler works as a link between the manufacturer and the retailer. So wholesaler provides service to manufacturer to retailer, and retailer works as a link between wholesaler and consumer. So retailer provides services to consumer and to wholesaler. Now services provided by retailer to consumer. First is ready or quick supply. Whenever we have, being a consumer, whenever we have need of any goods and services, we can buy from the retailer, from the nearby shops, or from like a departmental store like Easy Day, Big Bazaar. So we can, being a consumer, purchases the things whenever we have needs. So with the help of retailer is providing ready or quick supply of needed goods to the consumer. Now wide variety. Retailer keeps the wide variety of the same goods like toothpaste of Close-Up, toothpaste of Colgate, toothpaste of Sensodyne, Pepsodent. So they keep the wide variety of brand, because different customers have different likes or choices. So as per the choices, as per the need, as per the liking, the consumer can buy goods from the retailer. Now guiding consumers whenever we go to the shop, or so sometimes they also guides whenever we ask for the specific product, if that product is not available. So they guide us ki that new brand, या new type of product, या new technology product, if something is new launched in the market, say they retailer guide to the consumer about the availability of new product, and they also guide consumer how to use the product and informations regarding the product. Now demonstration and after sales services. If the product is technology related like LED, ACs, so they also give demonstration services ki how to operate the product, and after sales services ki if they have any query, or if they have any if they are not satisfied with the product, and if there is any fault in the product, so they provide repair services or after sales services. Home delivery. Retailer also provides services of home delivery to their trustworthy consumers. On a call, they send their servant for supplying or for home delivery of the goods to at the consumer place. Convenient location. You can see ki there are numerous or many shops at nearby our house, so easily we go to the shop or buy the product. So these shops basically, or retailer shops basically, are nearby our home, so we can easily buy the product. Credit facility is also provided by retailer to their trustworthy consumers. Clear? Now the services provided by the retailer to the wholesaler, providing information, because retailers are in direct contact with the consumer. They actually know what customers exactly want. They know the taste and preference of the consumer, and the same information they pass on to the wholesaler, and wholesaler pass on to the manufacturer, and as per the requirement of consumer, as per the taste of consumer, they may make the product. Risk bearing. Retailer is also risk bearing of wholesaler, because wholesaler supplies the goods in small quantity to the different retailer. Now the risk of spoilage, theft, or obsolete, if the product is not purchased by the consumer, so this kind of risk of obsolete or of theft, of spoilage, that is borne by the retailer. Ready market. Actually retailers are separated at a wide scale, so then they are actually helping to the wholesaler and manufacturing in the distribution of goods and services. So basically retailer are providing ready-made market to the manufacturer or wholesaler for selling the goods and services, and the needed information, required information they also provide. So it's a very important link for the distribution of goods and services. The last is the distribution of goods to distant places. Suppose India is a very wide, large country, and the rural area are there, remote areas are there. So it's not possible for the wholesaler and for manufacturer to distribute the goods at a wide scale or in remote or area or in rural areas. So basically these retailers plays a very main role in the distribution of goods to the distant places, to the remote areas or in the rural area. So these were the actually services provided by the retailer to the consumer and to the wholesaler. Thank you.